In some ways, companies are like people. No two are exactly the same. So why would you want a one-size-fits-all training program? At NTT Training, we customize our approach to meet your organization's specific needs. Our Skill Circuit e-library is loaded with more than 700 modules. You get the entire library, so you get to choose both which modules you need and when to give them to your teams. We offer a dynamic, interactive learning environment that involves photorealistic illustrations, animations, and simulations that immerse your learners in the subject and helps them achieve mastery. Imagine individualized skills learning paths for all of your employees. A new, convenient way to develop essential skills, one at a time, on your schedule and at their pace, online 24/7. NTT's Skill Circuit e-library is comprised of 3 sections, all focused on the unique needs industrial and maintenance operations. We begin with basic skills since people in advanced manufacturing possess a wide range of talent. Some jobs are highly technical, others require more rudimentary skills. Yet, these are the building blocks that allow your workforce to gain greater levels of expertise and tackle more challenging projects. At NTT, our basic skills modules are designed to help strengthen your workers by developing their foundational skills so they can help your business move to the next level. Next, there's the hard skills section, an array of modules focusing on the precise set of skills employers in advanced manufacturing are looking for: robotics, electronics, mechanical systems, and programming. Finally, we address soft skills. While we do cover topics like communication, team building, and time management, we also include more advanced soft skills, such as Lean and Six Sigma, many of which have been codified within best practices widely accepted among advanced manufacturing professionals. Which comes first? Which do you need? You get to choose. And don't forget, each module builds on the one before it, which means NTT's Skill Circuit e-library allows workers to easily start and stop based on your production schedule. So why wait? Call NTT today at 1-800-922-2820 and start building your future team.